Hey everybody, we just got done drawing
ADHD
from Dogman. This is mine, this is Finn's. We're going to show you how we did it, and we hope you have fun. Let's jump into it. Okay everybody, today we are drawing, what are we drawing, Finn? ADHD from Dogman. So we're excited. We love Dogman, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so to get started, we're going to draw a circle right here in the middle of the page. We're going to use a roll of tape to help us with the perfect circle. So I'm going to do it first, and then I'm going to have Finn do it. But you could do anything that's circle. You could use this. You could use a paper bowl or anything that's circular. And just go straight around. And make sure you hold it in place. And you lift it up. Perfect circle.
Can you hold it down for me?
Sure.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Because Dogman's from DreamWorks.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, it's DreamWorks.
Okay.
Let's see. Perfect circle.
Nice. It's not perfect, that's okay, but it looks really good.
Kind of looks like a bird with its beak. But
okay, so this is the beginning of ADHD. The next part that we're going to do is we're going to start, just put a little dot right there on one side and a little dot right there on the other side.
Doot, doot.
And then we're going to connect the two dots with a little swoop. We're not going to make the swoop too deep. Nice. Next, we're going to draw his feet. So we're going to draw two little noodle legs like this. One, like that, and two, like that. Now he draws his feet. He draws the little heel like this, the other little heel like this, and then looks like there's just like 3 toes. 1, 2, 3, and then you connect it. Go straight out. 1, 2, 3, and connect it. And ADHD is funny because he wears flip-flops. So how we do this is we're going to make a little loop right here. It goes like that. Goes out. Like that. And we're going to color it in. Okay. And then from the bottom toe, this one and this one, we're going to draw the two little out like that, out like that. He wears little flip-flops.
You know in the Dogman books when you see ADHD walk with his flip-flops,
Mm-hmm.
It has little words under it. Flip-flop, flip-flop.
Oh, really?
It literally just has...
We could go like this. Flip. Flop.
Flip.
I love that. Okay, so now when we do the stripes, since the legs are round, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're like a tube rather than just a flat piece of paper. Even though we are drawing a flat piece of paper, we're going to make it look like they're round. So when we do the stripes, we don't want them to be straight. We want them to be curved like this. Look at this. And that makes them look round. Nice.
I'm going to make mine doing a dab because he's doing like a dab, like foot pose.
Like this.
Yeah, a dab.
That's funny. Okay, now his arms start kind of up at the top. Kind of like right here and here.
Doot. Doot.
So we're going to go down. And down. And then we'll do 4 little fingers. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. And same thing. the stripes are going to be curved. Nice, we finished like at the same time. And that's as simple as that, ADHD. Okay, ready to color them in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there is our ADHD. So didn't you say that in one of the books that he's like standing next to a river and there's like trash around, or is that the movie?
That's from the movie and from the book.
Ah, that's cool. I like how you did like the flowing lines and stuff and the banana peel and like the rotting on the banana peel. That's legit. I love it, dude. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. There's our ADHD. Give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.